Don't ever change for anybody. Don't ever trade your soul. Don't even listen to him. He don't know nothing at all. Try not to get too involved, but really it's breaking my heart. How you keep changing for him. Never forget who you are. Butterfly.
Hey y'all, so I am the owner and CEO of ArecakRose Aroma, and I'm just here to tell you a little bit about my fragrances. So it's funny that the top one right now, the favorite, is, ooh, can y'all see that focus camera? Yep, it's called ArecakRose, and everybody loves it, so I have to come. It's a top seller right now, next to Tropical Bliss, Island Mist, and Alicent, and actually Serenity. And Serenity is more of the serene scent, like it has lemongrass and stuff like that. It has chamomile, lemongrass, lavender, jasmine. So this is the ArecakRose. There's like a little rose in there, and it smells divine. That's my scent. I smell divine, y'all. And this is Serenity. Focus, thank y'all. Okay. And it comes in like a serene green. I love lemongrass, y'all. Let me tell you. That is my scent. And then I also have Island Mist. If this would focus, it would be great. And it's like a light blue. Oh my goodness. It is sort of tropical. And it has like coconut, lime, a little bit of sweet orange, and let me see, and a little peppermint in there. So it's very, it'll remind you, if you're from the islands, it'll remind you of home. I'll just say that. A lot of people said that to me. They're like, oh my god, I can't put my you know, my finger on it, but it smells like home. And then I have the one I named after my mom. It's called Alicent, and it's purple. Look at that, y'all. Purple. And it smells, oh my goodness. A lot of people love that scent. And for one, it has the scent of guava in it. Like a little splash. Just a little tiny little. Oh wow, no. Passion fruit, y'all. What am I saying? Guava. It's like, I have guava in my house, y'all. And I keep smelling it. I don't know if y'all know what this is, but I keep smelling it, so I keep putting guava in everything because it smells up the whole house and it smells so good. But no, her scent has a splash of passion fruit in it, and that smells divine as well. And I have sample sizes. These are the sample sizes. This is actually my scent right now, ArecakRose. And these are how small the sample sizes are. So with those, you get 3 for $15, and then you can get, because normally it's $7 a piece. $7 a piece, y'all. So it's a wonderful deal if you just get 3 of them, because 7 times 3 is $21 for 3. If you were just to buy 2, it's already 18 bucks, so you might as well get the 3. So that's what I came here to let you guys know. I have a business. It's called ArecakRose Aroma, and have a look at that. That's Essential Garden. This is ArecakRose. Y'all don't mind my son, he just woke up. And Serenity, Island Mist, Hi Baby, and Alicent. These are all homemade by yours truly. I have a couple more scents, but I ran out. because they're going fast. So get your candles. You can find me on Instagram at ArecakRose, and you can also find me on Facebook at ArecakRose. If you want to order anything, just link me on any of those platforms. And I also have my business number that is going to be in the description below. So yes, y'all, come support your girl.